So today in this video I will show you how to build one update block in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project also like you enjoyed my all the previous project. So I hope you enjoy this video also, and if you enjoy that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button because it's really motivate me to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you. And I will be also just coming up with this video in future also, and you will be enjoying that. And also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn how to do code and how to learn programming, and they can also land a job in future by learning these awesome programming languages. And you can also check my previous courses which I have uploaded of like HTML and CSS if you are a beginner of coding. And you can also check my all the previous courses of like Python, Django which I have uploaded, and you can say that Python tutorial I have uploaded also. You can check that all courses also. And you can also check my React like React courses which I have uploaded, like React clones, React website which I have made, because that will be also really helpful for you. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so just support me like that, and please do like also comment like me what things do you want in future from me, so I can just make that all things. So please tell me in the comment section what things do you want from me. And also just you have to check my beginner courses also of this Java, because if you are a beginner and moving to advanced project directly, so it will be really difficulty for you to understand Java. So please, my opinion is to check first of all beginner courses, so your doubt will be finished related to Java, and then you can move on with your work. And it will be also really easy to understand for you. And I hope you will enjoy. So just I'll be starting with our now. So just we'll be starting with our project. Just like I'm telling you, I will be just showing you how to build an update block. So first of all, I want to show you how just we'll be just building that. So I want to show you the demo of that. So you can also just see how we'll be just making and how it will be looking in the end. Simply I will be opening my Google Chrome from here. You can see that there it is, our block which we'll be just making today. You can see that it is not a normal block, it is say update block. Okay, like previously we have also made the block like same, but it was for a beginner or intermediate project, so it is for advanced, which will be really helpful for you. You can see we are just getting e-blogger logo written here. You can see that at the left side. Then after that in the center we have written publish your passions your way, create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. And here we are getting sign in button at the right side. Then you can see the background which is just moving with the help of animation automatically. And if I scroll down, you can see these all things which are just looking really good. It is a picture which I have taken from vector website. And if I scroll down, you can get a free domain or anything, but you can't get. I've just only written here. And the back side is also covered with beautiful picture. Then if I scroll down, you will be getting earn money in this section. Here we are just getting this money section, and then this, like you can say YouTube, if you want to take any ad, if you want to put any ad, so you can put with the help of this section here. And if I scroll down, you can see know your audience section here. And then you can also see find out which post are hit, and these all things you can read here if you want to read. And if I scroll down, you will be getting hand on to your memories, save the moments that matter, and you can just move on towards. And you can also save many of the things here if you want to save here. So just be building that with Java. So here you can see, like I'm showing you this hang on to your memories. You can see that these are the things which we'll be doing. And if I scroll down, you can see join millions of others people. You can join many of the people. And if I scroll down, in the end you will be getting a footer section, you can see, which is just looking really good. Then we are getting terms of service here, privacy. Then we are getting content policy here. Then you can also change this language to any language you want to change, because it will be also really helpful for you. So you can see we are just getting that things. And if I just scroll at the top, so you will be getting some of the other things also, like publish your passion way, and then that thing. So we will be building that. For building that, just you have to open your VS Code, in which we will be writing all the codes of that. So I'll be opening my VS Code here. You can see that we are just getting all the code. Simply I will be closing this, or you can say erasing that. Then I will be writing my code. So that was also the previous project which we have just made. So here I'll be writing div class name here. I'll be just moving this cursor away from there. And now here I'll be writing a class name, so you can just write class name as script. Close this here. Then you have to move down, and here I will be writing a tag which should be just like here node. And when you run that, here I will be writing filter equals to, then change that to like terminal. Here I will be doing one thing. I will move here I will be writing a tag which will be like node dot filter. Okay, so here you have to take it to small. So here I'll be writing, yes, it is doing big. So here I'll be doing node now write dot, and here you have to write filter dot terminal. Here you have to close this tag now. Then when you done with that, here I will be writing a tag which will be like iterator. Then you have to change that to like help equals to, then change that to a tag which will be like use. Here you have to do one thing. Now when you've written this iterator, I will be erasing this from here because we want only one. Making this curly bracket, here I'll be writing iterator again, then I'll be writing dot help dot use. I'll be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down here. I will be writing a tag which will be like object number equals to svg. Here I will be closing that, and then I will be writing object dot number dot svg. Here close that again. Now when you done that, move down. Here I will be writing number, then you have to write here animate equals to, then change that to like view. Here close that, and then write the number. So here I'll be writing that, then write dot animate dot view. And when you're done with that, here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down. Then here I'll be writing a tag which will be like filter. So just change that to filter system equals to. Then I'll be writing edit. Then here I will be closing this tag. Here I'll be writing a tag here like filter system. Then I'll be writing edit. Here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be just moving down. Here I will be just writing a tag which will be like offline. So here I will be writing offline audio. Then here I'll be writing completion. So when you're done with that all things, here I will be moving down. Then I will be just writing a tag which will be like offline dot. So here I'll be writing offline dot audio dot completion. So here I'll be writing, and when you've done with that all things, here I'll be closing this tag. Here I will be now moving forward, then pressing enter and moving down. Here I will be writing number. So simply write here number svg equals to, then change that to folder. Here I will be closing that, then I will be writing app. Here I will be writing now number. So just write that number dot svg. And here when you're done with that all things, here I will be now doing one thing, like I'll be writing folder here. So just I'll be writing dot folder. Here when you've done that, close this tag now. Then I will be moving here and writing a tag which will be like base. Then you have to change that to like context. Here I'll be writing, then write here competition. Now when you've done that, here I will be writing base dot context dot competition. Then I will be closing this tag. Here when you've done with that all things, then I will be just moving down here. I will be writing here a tag which will be just like here response, and then you have to change that to payment here. Then when you've done that, here I will be writing clone equals to, then I'll be writing response. Here I will be writing dot payment, and then when you've done with that all things, here I will be writing dot clone. Close this and change this r to small r. So just I'll be doing that here. Now it is good. So move forward, take it and press enter. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like integer. Then I'll be writing animated equals to animation. Here I will be doing one thing, closing this. Here I'll be writing integer dot animated dot animation. Here I will be closing this tag. Now you have to do one thing, move down here, and I'll be writing length. Then I'll be writing like length. When you have written, you have to write width equals to, then change that to a tag which will be like run. Here I will be closing that, then write length dot width dot run. Here I will be closing, then just I'll be saving this file now, and we have just saved this file now. Here I will be just moving down, and when you've done that, here I will be writing a tag which will be like location storage. Here I'll be writing selector. So just I'll be writing that to like selector. Here I will be closing that, and then I'll be writing location dot storage dot selector. Here I'll be writing, then I will be closing that here. Now when you've done with that all things, here I will be just moving down, then I will be writing a tag which will be like print after equals to, then change that to before, and here I will be closing that, writing print dot after. So here I'll be writing print, okay, change here, and now write dot after dot before. Here I will be closing that, save this file from here, and if I show you in the Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready, which we have to make of update block. So simply I'll be opening my Google Chrome from here. You can see that our project is ready of update block which we want to make. Now you can see we are just getting all the things like that, like e-blogger written here. Our logo of that is also coming at the left side. Then the background is changing with the help of animation, which we have just put. Then this publish your passions your ways written and create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free written here, like this paragraph. Then after that, in the right side, we are getting the sign in button. Here we are just getting create your blog button, and if I scroll down, you can see news and many things like that. And if I scroll down, so you can create your own blog from here, and you can also choose the perfect design, and the picture is coming, the text which we have put is really good, the color combination, everything are really good in this website. Then in this pic I've just put a, like you can say, I've put a light color, and I've just take this opacity low, so because of that this picture at the back side is, we can see that, and get free domain it is written, it is looking really beautiful, you can see. And if I scroll down, you can also see one other picture of YouTube ads, you can see that, which I have just put here. So if I scroll down, you can also know your audience section will be just also really good looking, like we are getting the world map, you can say that, many things. And then there it is written like this section of, like you can say, this text which we are getting is looking good here. And if I scroll down, you will be getting hang on to your memories and these things, and then join millions of other people in your update blog. And if I scroll down, in the end we'll be getting footer section of that, help community developers, and this normal things which we are getting, terms of service, privacy, content policy, you can change languages also from here, and many other things which we are getting in that. So I hope you understand how to build one update blog in Java, and I hope you also enjoy this project. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video, and if you on the channel, also hit the subscribe button. Like I've told you, it really motivate me to make more this video and do more hard work for you in the future, so you can understand these projects, and I will be coming up with more easy and good projects which you can make, and that will be also really helpful for you. So also share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn how to do code and how to do programming and land a job in future. So just I'll be meeting you next projects for today. Goodbye.